In this video, we're going to be talking about Multivac. We're going to be checking out the Twitter page to see if they've had any new news, as well as that we're going to be giving our technical analysis, essentially be seeing where price is going and where and what is essentially been occurring when it comes to the charts. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs, as well as that before investing into Multivac. Please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on it, CoinMarketCap, Multivac is currently up 5.84% over the last day. This is the type of uh, pretty much type of price action we like to see. You can see we're pretty much bearish, and then we're starting to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And this is the type of strong bullish intent we need. Shows that we are in a strong bullish trend. But if we check on the weekly, you can see we're pretty much been very bullish. We did reach the high of let me see, pretty much 0.012, which is not that bad actually, which is very good in my opinion. That is the type of bullish trend that we need. We can see on the monthly, we can see that we were overall bearish. We did pretty much, in my opinion, I feel like this was the accumulation phase that did result in a huge impulse up occurring, breaking past all these equal highs, essentially equal high, equal high, equal high, and then therefore we're into we broke past this high as well, this which is really good. Shows that we're starting to recover back. But if we check on the quarterly, we can see we're pretty much overall being bearish, which now looks like we're starting to pick up some bullish intent coming through. So hopefully we can break past these equal highs, but also depends on the projects on the ecosystem for Multivac. But if we check on the yearly, we can see we could possibly reach past all this. There's a possibly huge imbalance that probably needs to be filled before occurring up, but you never know what's going to happen. But you can see the overall market cap is 37.3 million. It's still extremely low. See the volume is about 3 million, is down 45%. You can see the circulating supply is 3.59 billion MTV. But if you check on the overall market, let's see what the overall market is doing. You can see the overall market is up 0.92% of the last day. You can see that the global crypto market cap is at 1.91 trillion. This is this is good. We're still below the 2 trillion mark, but hopefully with Bitcoin reaching above 45k, we should see a 2 trillion market cap. You see Bitcoin up 0.58%, Ethereum up 0.6%, BNB up 1.06%, XRP up 9.37%. So you can see the market is slowly, gradually starting to pick itself back up. But if we quickly check over to the Twitter page of Multivac, you see that Multivac is close to 60,000 followers, as well as that they did post a tweet saying MTV is making the necessary moves towards success. The future is bright, let there be light. So you can see here the MTV community, let's spread the word and about how just simple the choice is. So as you can see here, on this pretty much comparison post, you can see that Multivac is a consensus algorithm. You can see the sharding technology, flexible all-dimensional sharding. They got the transaction per second, unlimited 30k plus current. You can see the block time. You can see Ethereum is 10 to 20 seconds, Zilla is 50 seconds, Harmony is 2 seconds, and Multivac is 3 seconds. You can see Elrond is pretty much 6 seconds, and then Near, which is 2 seconds. You can see the transaction cost, Ethereum $30, Zilla 0.00001, Harmony, which is extremely lower, and then Multivac is the cheapest. You can see the mainnet launch. You can see Q3 2015, Q1 2019, Q2 2019. You can see here Multivac was Q2 of 2021. You can see the market cap is extremely low compared to these, so you could definitely be in for a treat if you pretty much invest at the right time. So you can see the Multivac ecosystem is expanding, connecting with each other. But before we hit onto the charts, let's quickly check Evi.io. So as you can see on Evi.io, um, Multivac is currently at B1, which is really, really good. Hopefully, we can get into the A3 region. Let's quickly check the firm profitability. So the Evi.io gives it a rating of A1. You can see the peak in value demand, which is a B2, which is still really good. You can see fear and greed index, which is still an A3, and then a Sharper ratio is a B2. So Multivac does have the potential to give some major gains back. It's more about how long you can wait and how impatient and how patient you can be. But as you can see on Multivax, on the trading view, you can see that we were in the accumulation phase. If you check out my previous video, you can see that Multivac, that I did intend that Multivac will come up into this region and possibly even breach past this. And then my next target is these equal highs. Once we breach past this, then I can confirm that we have had a change in character, but it also depends on the current market conditions of Bitcoin, as Bitcoin is the leader and it pretty much does everything. So you can see Bitcoin, they pretty much had the break structure as well, reaching the highs of 45.8K. So, but yeah, it's not looking too bad in my opinion. We're just gonna have to wait and see what happens and what occurs. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs, and peace.